Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Quizlet. If you haven't already joined our Quizlet group, go to Edmodo and click on the link that says Join 7th Grade Life Science, Mabry. This has been posted to the Edmodo page for both Ms. Kulkarni and Ms. Larkin. Once you get to the Quizlet link, you should notice that it says 7th Grade Life Science at the top. If you ever get lost, you can also search for our class by my username right here, which says iLarkin. Once you've joined the class, you can peruse all the different chapters of vocabulary that have been loaded for the year. The one that we're working on right now is Chapter 18, Interactions of Living Things. The flashcards have already been typed in and entered for you. You notice that you can click on this arrow for both sides, or you can just have it on one side. You can put the term first. To get the answer, you click to flip in the bottom corner, and to advance to the next word, use the arrow and click to flip again to find your answers. If you want the term and the definition on both sides, just check the box. You can make this full screen, and it can read out loud to you.
Biotic factors.
Besides using flashcards, there are other options for studying. You can use Learn, and it will ask you a question and you have to type in the answer. You can also use Test, and it will generate questions and responses for you. I might add you can also choose your question types. So let's say that you really don't like true or false. Take that off. You can change the number of questions. You want 20 out of the 42 terms available, or maybe you just want to do 10 a day. Okay, and you can also use Speller and Scatter and Space Race. I am absolutely no good at Space Race, but I'll show you what it looks like. I can't type that fast, but you have to get the answer as the words or the definition scroll across the screen. And then Scatter is simply a matching game. Okay, so you'll drag the word to the correct definition, such as that. And once you have it, it'll disappear. Okay, now I'm going to show you some print options. Using the print options, you can generate a test for yourself, such as this, and print it. You can also make your flashcards. You can make them smaller if you want. You can make them larger if you want. I prefer this medium one, and as you can see, the question or the definition will be on the left, and the correct answer is on the right. If you print this sheet out, you can cut in strips along this line, and then you fold along the dotted line. When you fold along the dotted line, ecosystem will now be on the reverse side of the definition, and voila, you have ready-made flashcards. What you'll do once you select the size or the type of paper that you want, you'll open it as a PDF and then click Print. Quizlet is good for other subjects besides just science. Let's say for social studies, you want to look for maps of Asia. Well, apparently my wireless is slow tonight. But eventually you're going to see lots of different options for maps of Asia. People are using Quizlet around the world, so you'll find a lot of resources. Let's see if we can find something else. Okay, since our search menu wasn't working, how about we try Browse? When you go to Browse, you'll be directed to different subjects. For example, history and geography. And you can select from different menus. And let's try out that Asia maps or history again. There we go. And you can see we have tons of options that you can choose from. Some will have pictures, some will have audio, and some will just be terms depending on what the user did. So I hope that you enjoyed this Quizlet tutorial and that you'll make use of it and study on for life science.